Hey everyone, I am here with a new subscription box unboxing. This one is God's Glory box. This one's really neat. It's a very uplifting Christian box. And what makes it special is for every box that's shipped, they will donate 5 meals to people in need. I love that idea. This one is the March box for 2020. And inside it tells you exactly what you got. On your list, and then it also gives you excuse me, it also gives you some codes that you can use to be able to get discounts. So the first thing that I really like about the box is you actually get a shirt. They'll ask you what your size is when you order, so let me go ahead and show you what it says on the shirt. It says anything is possible, Matthew 19:26. Which is awesome. I love that it was an uplifting message. The next thing I got was a little bag that says love one another, and it says 1 John 3:23. Then let's see here. It gives you another little discount right here for mint mongoose, and then a pretty little card. Got some bath salts. Then these are ebooks that you can actually download with the codes. I'm not going to show you the codes obviously, but these are little sheets that give you your ebook for being able to get your box. And then this is a book, 21 Prayers of Faith. And I really like that. Honestly, this was a very uplifting box. I really needed this. For most of you, you probably don't know, but I have ulcerative colitis, and it's a severe form of ulcerative colitis. I wear a medical mask every day with a respirator over the mouth. That's why I'm not usually on camera when I do unboxing videos or anything. It's easier for me to not show my face, but my ulcerative colitis has kind of gotten me down and depressed. It's an autoimmune disorder. There's no cure for it. And then there's only so many medicines that they can try to help you with before they'll have to surgically remove your entire colon. So I'm 31 and I have a daughter and a husband. And, you know, before this I was really healthy and I had no real problems, but you know, this has gotten me down. It had gotten me bedridden and hospitalized, and this box has really been uplifting to me, and it's exactly what I needed for a pick-me-up this month. So if you guys are really interested in a really nice Christian box, God's Glory box is wonderful. They're very wonderful people. Again, they donate for every box that's shipped 5 meals to people that need them. You do get a t-shirt in the box, and I really love the box. It's exactly what I needed for the sadness that I've been feeling over my disease this past month. So if you guys are looking for a really nice pick-me-up, I highly suggest God's Glory box.